Hey yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to collect 3000 tokens from the Blooket events. Please follow this video step by step. To collect this reward, just you need your username. As you can see, my username is Albert. Now I have 10 tokens in my Blooket accounts. Now I open a new tab and here I searching www.go token pro. Remember this phrase, I go token pro. I press enter. As you can see, token events offer 3000 token here, Blooket username, here I enter my Blooket username, Albert, 1 second, Albert, as you can see, and I press this button red, generate. Now generating is running, don't close or refresh the page. Good guys, I wait to loading this, as you can see. Now I present you this website. This is the status online, last update 2 days ago, online user, total user. This is reset activity, as you can see. This person use desktop, this person use desktop, this person use desktop. As you can see, how does this event work? For complete on-off partner survey, you grant at one time 3000 coins. As you can see, remember this general is safe to use. You don't have problem with ban. We never ask you to enter your account password. You don't have to download any external tools. What you choose will appear your account as soon as purchase is completed. As you can see, this is people voting. You can vote it's work for you, yes or no. As you can see, this person voting yes, this person voting no. Now it's almost done. As you can see, success. Good guys, I'm waiting. As you can see, Albert is connected, associate, transfer to user. Guys, please like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends. We're almost finished. You don't like a robot. This is a simple human verification. Just verify now, press this button. And as you can see, human verification request, verify survey. I press this, complete request below and block your token. You'll be automatically sent in your account. As you can see, you need to complete one of these survey to receive the reward. I select first survey. You need to follow this instruction. As you can see, follow the instruction, send the SMS to this number. As you can see, check it for completion. Now guys, I put the video on pause because I can send SMS and record it at the same time, but I'll be back in 2 minutes guys. Good guys, I send SMS. Now you need to check, enter here on this tab, and as you can see, this is finished. It's done. Now you can close all tabs. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press this button, climb. And now in my Blooket account, I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. Now it's for free. As you can see, I buy a package. Yes. As you can see, it's work. Just follow this video step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.